In an advanced democracy, there were no ballots. The 3rd of June, South Korea's local elections at 14 polling stations across the Seoul district of Gangnam, Songpa, and Gwangjin, ballot papers simply ran out. Some voters turned around and went home. Others surrounded the polling stations until 10 o'clock at night to stop the ballot boxes from being moved. So, how did the international press respond? The Washington Times. If the ballot brouhaha gains traction in the days ahead, it could reignite the biggest political nightmare Korea has suffered since democratizing in 1987. The New York Times described the elections as a referendum on President Lee's leadership and a critical test for a conservative opposition that is very much on the back foot. Has anything like this happened elsewhere? Back in 2010, hundreds of voters queued before closing time and were turned away at the door, 200 in Sheffield alone. Some tried to block the ballot boxes from being removed. Police were called, the Electoral Commission apologized, and the law was changed. Meanwhile, in the United States in 2022, ballots ran out mid-afternoon. Staff photocopied them on the spot, but the machines couldn't read copies. 700 votes counted by hand past 1 in the morning. The state investigated. The conclusion was unexpectedly high turnout. But what the international press keeps coming back to when it comes to South Korea is the context. Martial law, impeachment, and now election commission. 40 years on from democratization, what kind of test is South Korea facing right now?